What's up, guys? We are back here with another Everything's Regular video, man. We just got back and just got up, man. It's time to start this day. We got the lovely truck back there. Let's see if this thing still fires up. So we enjoyed our weekend, man. We got the motorcycle looking nice, so it's let's hop back on this truck. I'm pretty sure it will start, but let's just make sure. That's what I'm talking about, baby. So today we're gonna go check out this exhaust leak. And yeah, it's definitely an exhaust leak. Definitely an exhaust leak. So we'll go get that figured out this morning. We're actually gonna clean. I'm gonna go pull up to a dumpster and just clean out this this bed too today. I'm tired of this thing looking dirty, and we need to go out there and pick up our motorcycle, man. So I'm gonna probably take this guard out, this brush guard. Now I actually was thinking I might want to keep this, but powder coat it like a fresh gloss black. But who knows what I'll do. But right now I'm gonna clean the back of this thing out. I got a bunch of trash bags, so we'll fill this trash bags up with all the stuff in here, and then from there we'll see how much better it looks, and then try to go to that muffler shop so we can get that figured out. And I already found a level place that can do the leveling for me for like 300 bucks. So I might do that and get some wheels too, who really knows. But these are 16s, so we'll see what happens, man. I can't wait. Alrighty, guys, so we got most of the trash and everything bagged up. However, it is a few miscellaneous parts that's not gonna fit in the bag, so we'll drive right up to the dumpster and toss it in there, come right back and get that second wave of cleaning in before we go pressure wash this this back out. Alrighty, guys, so we got all that trash thrown away. Now it's literally just dirt, and we can probably pressure wash most of this stuff out. So we'll head to the car wash with the pressure washer again. In the meantime, we'll probably toss this plumber thing right here. This is the hose for that diesel tank. However, I really don't need it, and I gotta figure out how to take this off or whatever the case may be. But I definitely want to get this thing cleaned out right now, so I think I'm about to head up there with a broom and try to get this thing clean, man. All right, and here is that gas tank nozzle. You guys see it's pretty much ripped right here, so I don't think this hose is gonna be any good. Of course, it's for diesel, but we'll toss this because this is no good no more, so no worries. Alrighty, guys, now if we look underneath the truck, you guys know, of course, it's dirty as heck, but I'm noticing right here, this whole strut in the back is completely blown out, literally blown out. So probably have to get a new strut for this joint. Exhaust clamp right here is broken from the wheel, so that may explain the slight exhaust leak or the tick or whatever. But pretty dirty under here all around. Alrighty, guys, we are in this big mother trucker slide, man. About to go get her done, man. I want to hop on the railroad with this thing, but I don't know. I don't know, y'all. What y'all think? Back at the car wash, man. Let's get all this stuff pressure washed out and get it looking like at least white again, you know? Because this thing is freaking dirty. We still had a bunch of stuff in the back. I should have threw this in the trash, but we'll just try to pressure it out and see what happens. Alrighty guys, we got that thing pretty much pressure washed down. It's a whole bunch of dirt on the ground, so you guys know we did some work. The inside it's still dirty, but it looks a lot better than it did. You can actually see the floor now. So once that dries up, we can probably hit it again another time, but we can take this out. I see the bolts, I guess, for this diesel tank, but we'll figure that out once we get up out of here. But so far so good. What do you guys think, man? Let me know in the comments below. It does look a lot cleaner than it did. Now my shoes is muddy. I'm gonna get the inside of the car jacked up, but good to go though. Alrighty guys, now that we got that figured out, we got the back pretty much cleaned out, looking a lot better. We're about to go home, go hop in the shower, because look at our arm, it's just dirt. Back in this thing and go to the exhaust shop, and then I want to see if we can get AC on this thing done today. If not, at least price it out. So let's get that done. Alrighty guys, back out here, got a fresh shower, cleaned up, ready to go, man. The truck is kind of dirty still, but we can check out the back real quick. See, now that it's drying up, it's definitely looking a lot cleaner, that's for sure. So that's a plus. Let's head to the exhaust shop. First time on the freeway. Hopefully we don't die, or the car doesn't stop or nothing like that. Alrighty guys, we have made it to downtown Mufflers, man. You guys probably remember this from when we got the Camaro wrapped up, so let's see if we can get in sometime soon here. Getting it all checked out, trying to see.
Ben? Check engine light on?
Yeah.
It looks like your cat has a hit.
Right.
Alright? But I'm not sure if your flange is warped or not.
Right.
I can't tell where the leak is coming. I hear it, but I just can't see it.
Right.
I need to put it up in the lift so I can spend more time and look at it, right?
No
The
problem.
thing is, I'm just short on time right now.
Oh, okay.
You want to stop by tomorrow morning? We can take a look at it.
Okay. And guys, we went to the muffler shop, but he said today he's too pressed on time. So tomorrow, he said come in the morning to get that taken care of. So I'm gonna find another muffler shop really quick to see if they can get us in. If they can, then good. If they can't, then hey, it is what it is. But just from that experience, I don't think it's a tick with the motor or anything like that. I don't think it's a lifter. I actually really think it's just an exhaust leak. I went to the AC place right now, but they were on lunch, so you know, what else can we do? So we'll try one more muffler shop today, then if not, we'll just have to settle for tomorrow. But all in all, guys, I've been driving this car at least like 35 miles. This thing is running really, really good. No overheating or nothing like that. The only thing I can say is the fuel gauge keeps going up and down. Like I literally put a full tank in here and it says like less than a quarter. So I don't know what's up. Maybe the fuel pump is bad or something. I don't know. But what do you guys think? Alrighty guys, we just are now leaving this Advanced Mufflers place, another location. He said he believed it's a tick. With that being said, I don't know, we might have to go hit our buddy up to get this cam swap going, man. I don't know exactly what I want to do just yet, but we'll see what happens. Alrighty guys, here back at the house, man. We went to the muffler shop. One guy said come back tomorrow at 9 a.m. to check it out. Another guy said it is the ticking. It may be a combination of both, but I am leaning towards more of the ticking. So I don't know if I want to take it to my buddy and get the cam swap. That's like $2,500. It's kind of going to be hurting my pockets, but it'll be worth the truck. I don't know. I mean, it is a really great truck. So if I get the motor redone, at least I'll have a fresh new built motor. And it's going to be ready for some hauling. And if I get that done, I definitely would have to paint this thing. Now, keep in mind, I already bought some headlights for it, some new headlights for it. I got some nice little fender flares for it. I got that side mirror right there. I got the door panel. Everything is ordered already, so it should be here momentarily sometime this week. So I guess about time all that stuff gets here, we'll hop back on it. I don't know if I want to take it down to LA tomorrow and have him start the motor work, or just wait and hold off and see what I really want to do. But I don't know. I know I am really loving the truck. So if I could sell it and make some money right now, I would definitely just go right back and buy a newer one, 2500 just a newer one. So either or, if I could sell it like this, that'll be perfect, but I definitely have to make some money. If not, I'll put some more money into it and then still make my money off the top of that. So with that being said, man, that might be a wrap for today's video. If you guys haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. I appreciate you guys tuning in, man. How do you guys like the motorcycle? How do you guys like the Silverado? What else would you guys do? I was actually thinking about putting that brush guard back on. However, now that I'm looking at it like this, I don't know. I think I wanted to powder coat that thing like a gloss black and get it back on there after I paint the truck, if I was to keep it. But I don't know, everything is just up in the air right now. So we did get the bed cleaned out, man. We'll check that out one last time before we end it off, and I'll let you guys see it real quick. And yes, we did drive this thing pretty far. We drove it about 30 to 40 miles, no issues, no overheating, no nothing. The lifters is tapping a little bit, but it isn't a big deal at all. You guys see the back of the truck, it actually looks really, really clean compared to when we first got it. Like, I can actually sit back here and stand on it and without getting my shoes dirty and everything. So that's a plus. We got this thing cleaned out. We can take this out. I seen a couple bolts to take the diesel tank out, but everything is a process. So with that being said, man, let's just keep it going and getting this thing nice and shining. But before we end it, man, I had to come get a car wash in the Camaro, man. This thing is still filthy from when we went to LA. I did not have a chance to clean this thing out. So we gotta clean it out real quick. We got sunflower seeds literally everywhere. All in the seat, everything, dog. So, and then we do, like I said, have our fender flares and our headlights here already. So